Hello. So dito ipapakita natin sa natin dito kung paano i-compute ang training heart rate, target heart rate at moderate and at vigorous intensity of physical activity. So dito kukunin muna natin ang personal maximal heart rate. Paano kinuha ang personal maximal heart rate? So from moderate, ang moderate nito is 40 to 55%, 220 as the constant number, then deducted to your age or minus your age. That would be your personal maximal heart rate or PMHR. So this is now the computation for moderate heart rate times 0.4 or 40%. So that would be your beat per minute, and multiplied to 55%, that would be your beat per minute. Well, in vigorous, 60 to 85%. So dito na. This is now the be multiplied into 0.6, and that would be your beat per minute, and multiplied to 85, that would be your beat per minute. So ganun lang. So MHR stands for maximal heart rate. So ganun lang. So uunahin natin ang una dito. Importante ay marunong kayong kumuha ng personal maximal heart rate. Ganito lang, 220 minus each. Ganun lang kasimple ang magkuha ng personal maximal heart rate. So ni YouTube natin, kung minsan pag nandiyan natin ilagay sa mga notes natin, so makaligtaan natin, makalimutan natin. So dito natin ilagay sa YouTube at the time na gusto nating scan. So nandito lang. In the other way, kung sino yung nakalimot dyan rin sa pagkuha ng personal maximal heart rate, titingnan nyo lang rito. Okay, have a blessed day to everyone. Next post naman tayo.